So you simply drop the CSV you want, like 300K list, click upload, and that's it. And you're gonna see it's real time. What's the percentage of this, right? You can see the valid, the invalid, the unknown, the catch-all. We got like a 53% so far. I can just skip the invalid. I can already download like the current one. In this video, I'm gonna showcase to you the most accurate verifying tool for emails currently on the market. I'm going to show you how we verify over 8 million emails a day for us and our clients combined. I'm going to show you why the current tools in the industry suck and why they are quite literally just scamming you out of your money. If you don't care about that, feel free to kick off this video. But if you want to try 40K credits for free on the most accurate email tool currently on the market, then watch on and I'll show you how. So why verification is the step also like most people skip and pay for later. So if you're a newbie, you most likely are not cleaning your leads, which is a big problem. So the reason you need to verify your emails in the first place is because you don't actually know whether the email you're sending to from any kind of list. Also, you might have gotten that list from some shady guy through some shady WhatsApp channel. So it's best you clean those leads because the people might not actually work there, or it just might be some bogus that someone made up and just sold it to you. So there's really no way you can skip it. So even if you have the leads, you need to verify. So especially if you just want to skim the cost. So for example, good example, good reason why most people just mess this up as well. So say you verify like 1 million emails, you send that over the course of 2 months, but by the end, the emails are not actually valid because they are stale. They gotten stale. You don't actually know it's still valid or clean. So by the time you want to do like a retargeting of the same leads, just resend to the people who have not engaged with you, you need to re-clean them because a lot of time has passed, right? So you need to keep that in mind. Because when you send to an unverified list, some of the percentage of those emails will likely bounce. Even if you clean them, it's still a chance for it. But if you don't, it's just going to be marginally worse, right? So if you skip it, it's going to be like 15, 20% bounce rate. If you verify your list, it's going to be around like 1% or sub bounce 1%, hopefully if you're using a good tool. So everything else is going to be ruined. Your infrastructure, everything. So if you skim this like one small step, and this is like that with cold email in general, it's just if you skip one step, it could collapse the whole operation. So you don't want to do this. Please just do your time and verify. But again, like for the people who are actually doing it, good for you. Also, just the problem you should be aware of is most tools currently in the space, they don't verify Outlook well. And why you might be asking? Well, it's very simple because it's very expensive. It's gotten very expensive to verify Outlook and the logic is quite difficult. So most of the Indian verifying tools that you are using is not going to do that because again, why? It's costly and the logic is quite hard. So they just roll with it. They give you just like some random guess most of the times, right? I don't want to drop names here, but most of the big tools are still not updated to this level yet. So that's quite sad. And currently there's no issues I've seen personally with Google's or any kind of other providers because they're not as strict as Outlook. But Outlook basically tells all the emails that if you want to check, again, don't want to go too in depth into the logic, but how these tools work is they obviously like send a ping to the email. And if it receives back a response that it's valid, then that's good. But the problem is with Outlook, all the responses are like this for most of the tools. So most of the tools just tell you all the emails are valid, or they just mark it as catch-all, which is a little bit more honest in my opinion, because they don't actually know whether or not it's a real email or not. But you know, at that point, you cannot really use your Outlooks, or all of them are just marked as valid, which obviously neither of them is good. So why they get away with it? Obviously because they just tell you like your 5% bounce rate is just normal, but in reality, it's really not. And also, like I said, it's very hard for them to do this because they already have their existing infrastructure. And most people are not even aware of this problem. So they're just kind of keeping it hush. So we tested over 20 tools. And again, don't want to drop any names here, so please don't read the column on the left. The ones that are inaccurate are as follows. So Million Verifier, not accurate. Kickbox, Debounce, Email List Verify. These are smaller tools. They're not good, right? But for other ones like Google, they work absolutely fine. But like the problem is, currently based off the test we did, and right now this is April of 20th as the time I'm recording this video, they're not good. They're not really good, right? And also their catch-all verification, is quite bad. And what I mean is just categorizing the emails as catch-all is quite bad, right? So I wouldn't use Billing Verifier for Outlook heavy lists. And also, you might be wondering, like, most of the big companies you reach out to, about 70% of them are Outlook. So keep that in mind, right? The rest of them, again, are all acceptable for Gmails and anything that's not Outlook. But again, if you want to make serious money with cold email, you really want to skip like 70% of your lists. I personally don't. So we built something called Email Shield. If you want to test it yourself, we have a fix for all of this, everything I've talked about. The tool is, like I said, it's Email Shield. You can go to it. Currently, we have a free promo where if you sign up, you get 40K credits. It's absolutely free. It's valid for like a couple days. So by the time you're watching this video, most likely it's expired. But if you're watching this when it released, you can take advantage of this. And by the way, just for like reference sake, you can get 1 million monthly credits for about $250 a month. If you want to get 10 million credits, it's going to cost you like 1.8K. So we're really not going to make you like 100x margins. So really, we don't make like 100x margins like the other tools do. We actually just want to give you like a fair pricing so you can just send more emails. And my hidden agenda with this is you go to my other tools, email infrastructure, and you get more volume with that for cheap so you can scale your business better, right? So that's my hidden objective with this is obviously, if you like it, you scale, you can try our other products as well. And honestly, it's just something that we use internally that we've been just asked to bring out to the public for a better part of like a year now. So you guys chewed my ear off. Here it is, finally. Go ham with it. You can have some free credits as well. Hopefully you guys like it. It's everything that was promised to be. So this is something that we use and have used for the better part of, like I said, a year for our own agency, our main like high sender clients. So if you were not one of those, well, now is your time to actually do so and check. So again, like just comparing verifications, it's crazy. It's actually crazy. Like the other tools are making you charge like 10x prices, which is absolutely insane for not the same accuracy that we provide you with. So if you want to pause the video, just check the comparison. Again, this is after testing like the biggest tools in the space. I'm not going to get too in-depth into the verification, but this is obviously like just basic stuff, right? So we obviously verify like everything you can possibly verify, so your email is going to not bounce, right? So even though, this is like as thorough as possible, there still can be a small percentage of bounces, and there will be. None of the tools, not even ours, is 100% accurate. If there's any tool that says so, just please run away, right? They're lying to you. And by the way, just the workflow is literally the same. So if you want to take advantage of this offer, just click here 40K, just claim it. And then you're going to be brought to this page. Just ignore my 100 million credits. That's just for myself. Okay. So simply drop the CSV you want. This is I think like 300K list. And you just click upload and that's it. It's going to start processing the list. It's going to take a couple minutes. Depends on how large the file is. This is about 300K. This is going to take roughly about like 10-20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, depending on the load of the server, like how many people are verifying. Currently, we process about like 50 million a day, I would say. So, once you put it here, it's going to process your upload and you can just click on it, click on your verifications, and you're going to see it real time, like what's the percentage of this, right? You can see the valid, the invalid, the unknown, the catch-all. If you want to disable any of them because you don't need them, feel free to do so. But if you want to download everything, you can also do that as well. Or you can just click on the verified, the valid ones as well. You can also refresh if there's any new stuff that happened, right? And also going to give you a score of the validity as well and any kind of flags that could appear, right? Also very soon you're going to be able to put on Email Shield your domains as well, just for free. You can put your domains on, and we're going to give you a deliverability audit every single day. You can watch if anything wrong with your domains. And also if you want to try this new feature that we added as well, which is called AI enrichment. Basically, after you verify your leads, you can put them on this tool and it's going to give you an ICP scoring. So you put your ICP here and then it's going to tell you like, what's the percentage? Is it 90% accurate to your ICP? Is it more? Is it less? Right? And also we do something called personalized openers, which, if you use Clay, you could do that with subject lines as well. And also it takes context into the prospects, LinkedIn, the website, everything about that, and your offer as well. And it's going to curate a one-to-one written email for each one of the prospects in the list. So why is this powerful, you may ask? Well, if it's not obvious enough, you could just basically have unlimited SDRs for a fraction of the cost. And again, the reason this is so powerful is because you can just make personalized emails at scale for just close to no money, right? Like it's very simple, very cheap, and you can have your emails look like they're one-to-one written, even though they're not, they're written with AI. So as you can see, it already began. We got like a 53% so far. I can just skip the invalid. I can already download like the current one. If I just need like 50 just to test with, it's going to give me a download and I can just test it right here, as you can see. So here it is. And it's going to show you the state. It's going to show you the MX records. We give you all the data. We give you where it was verified. We give you our own tag so nobody can steal it. Now that's it. So like I said, if you skip it, you're going to burn your domains. You're going to burn everything. So please make sure you use some kind of verifying tool and make sure you find one that actually cleans outlooks as well. Again, if you just want to do Gmails for some reason, and if you want to overpay for other tools, feel free to use the other ones. But again, if you want to take advantage of the free 40K email tests you can do today with Email Shield, go ahead. This was the video, and I'll see you in the next ones. Cheers.